Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add affiliate links to ConvertKit. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go to ConvertKit and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply click on your profile on the top right corner of the screen over here. And a drop down will show up and just simply go for the settings. And now once you are here on the settings, if we scroll down on the left side over here, you should be able to see affiliate link and tracking options. Just simply click on advanced. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to add my affiliate link over here. So guys, if you're a Kit affiliate, you can use an existing powered by Kit badge at the bottom of your emails and landing pages to link to your Kit affiliate account. And guys, if you're not yet a Kit affiliate, you can just simply click on this hyperlink over here so you can be a Kit affiliate, and you can just simply add my affiliate link over here and just simply copy and paste it over here. And after that, just simply make sure to save the changes over here at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.